Hi everyone, it's Nick here once again from TrainAid, and in today's video we are looking at the Level 4 Certificate in Education Training. This is Unit 6 and we are looking at the different factors of learning. So to answer this question, we're looking at how to create an inclusive teaching and learning environment. So how can you create an inclusive environment and all the different factors that make up inclusion? So this video, we're looking at social factors. Okay, now social factors, once again, is all to do with your learners and very much their social skills, the way that they interact with one another. So social factors could be the learner's individual self-esteem, their confidence, their confidence to learn, to ask questions, to ask for help from a teacher. All about their social skills, this question. Very much the way that they interact within the classroom, so classroom relationships, the group dynamics as well. Furthermore, it could be peer pressure, peer influence, whether or not the individual is going to be swayed by group members, all of those key things there. And also the learner's social background in terms of like family views, family support, if family members are if they're positive in terms of supporting the learner with their course or qualification, all of those things. So to answer this question, we just would like for you just to summarize what the term social factors means. So maybe go for 3 or 4 lines in your own words, just talking about what social factors are. So social factors is all to do with the classroom and environment, okay, and how learners are with each other in terms of their communication skills. Hopefully learners feel relaxed, comfortable, and have that opportunity to ask questions to the teacher. If it's quite a boisterous atmosphere, perhaps the learner might be quite shy or reluctant to speak up or ask any questions as well. From my own teaching experiences, one way I promote inclusion and a way that I like to create a cohesive classroom atmosphere, of course, is creating a classroom charter or the ground rules. So everyone knows how to behave. So this could be using anything such as flip chart paper at the start of a lesson or course where learners are empowered to write down all of the classroom rules as well. I always like to designate a classroom rep as well, so having 2 members of the class who can be classroom reps. So hopefully it empowers learners to kind of take on that leadership role, to listen to the group members. So hopefully it can be more of a democracy, and that way that everyone knows how to behave as well. But that's one way in which you can promote kind of a cohesive atmosphere as well. And for your assignment question, we would like for you once again just to summarize what social factors mean, and also perhaps an example, go for one example of any methods you use to help promote an inclusive learning environment with a focus of learner social skills, and how can we help our learners to become more socially inclusive within their environment as well. So that is the second factor of learning. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and I hope we can give you lots of support on how to answer the question there. So thank you very much for watching.